So guys, I'm going to teach you how you can make your oats very smooth. This is boiling hot water. The water is already boiled. So right now I'm going to be adding fresh milk to this water. So this is fresh milk. So I'm going to allow it to heat up a little bit. So here is the oats I will be using. Okay, you can use any oat of your choice. So right now I'll be adding my oats to my milk. So this is the quantity I will be using. So what next? I'm going to go ahead and stir. So you keep stirring it, don't leave it alone. So right now my oat is ready to be served. As you can see, there is no lumps on it. That's the excess of stirring it. Okay, so it's ready to be served. Right now I'm going to be serving my oats. Can you see how great it looks? Right now my oat is ready. You can add any sweetener of your choice. I love to add honey, and I also love to add this milk to my oats. Brings out the sweetness. I love this milk. This is how I love to enjoy my oats. Let me now go and have fun and enjoy these oats. I hope you learned something good. Please share to that one person that don't know how to prepare oats. Thank you. This is good. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is how I love it. Thick, but not too thick.